Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is life processes unit test paper number 6. In the previous video we have solved unit test paper number 5. Now let us answer for unit test paper number 6. The first question of unit test paper number 6 is: the plants can get rid of excess of water by this process: photosynthesis, transpiration, respiration, translocation. The right option is option B, that is transpiration. So for first question, option B, transpiration. Now let us move for second question. The second question is: significant role of stomata in transportation is to dash: created upward pressure, absorbs carbon dioxide, release oxygen, perform transportation continuously. Among these four options, the significant role is, that is, to release oxygen. That is option C, release oxygen. Then next let us move for the second main, that is question number 3. That is, what is the function of mucus in stomach? So what is the function of mucus in stomach? So it protects, that means mucus, it protects the inner lining, it protects the inner lining of stomach, it protects the inner lining of stomach from inner lining of stomach from HCl. So that is the function of mucus in stomach. It protects the inner lining of stomach from HCl. Then the next fourth question: what is emulsification? So what is emulsification? So the process of converting large fat globules into small fat globules is called emulsification. Now let us move for question number 5. What is peristaltic movement? So what is peristaltic movement? So let us explain what is peristaltic movement. So the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscles of esophagus to move food is called peristaltic movement. Now let us move for question number 6. Explain the breakdown of glucose in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So let us explain the breakdown of glucose in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First let us move for aerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration will take place in 2 steps. First, step number 1, glucose, which is a 6 carbon compound, in cytoplasm is converted into 3 carbon compound called pyruvate. So glucose, which is a 6 carbon compound in cytoplasm of a cell, is converted into 3-carbon compound called pyruvate. Next, step number 2. Step number 2. Pyruvate in presence of oxygen in mitochondria is converted into carbon dioxide, water, and releases 36 ATP of energy. So this is step number 2. So pyruvate, which is a 3-carbon compound in presence of oxygen in mitochondria, is converted into carbon dioxide, water, and releases 36 ATP of energy. So this is aerobic respiration. Now let us move for anaerobic respiration. Now let us move for the second one, that is anaerobic respiration. So let us study about anaerobic respiration. So anaerobic respiration also will take place in 2 steps. Step number 1, glucose, which is a 6-carbon compound, is converted into 3-carbon compound called pyruvate in cytoplasm of a cell. So glucose, which is a 6-carbon compound in cytoplasm, is converted into 3-carbon compound called pyruvate. Then step number 2. So in step number 2, pyruvate, which is a 3-carbon compound, in absence of oxygen in cytoplasm is converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide, and releases 2 ATP of energy. So step number 2, pyruvate, which is a 3-carbon compound in absence of oxygen. So in absence of oxygen in cytoplasm itself is converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide, ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus releases 2 ATP of energy. So this is answer for question number 6. Now let us move for question number 7. Write the differences between autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. So let us differentiate between autotrophic and heterotrophic. So 7th question, one side autotrophic, then another side heterotrophic. So autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which living organism prepares its own food. that is autotrophic. The mode of nutrition, heterotrophic. The mode of nutrition in which living organism depends on other organisms for food. So this is heterotrophic nutrition. Then the second one is food is prepared during daytime. So food is prepared during daytime. So food is prepared all the time. Then chlorophyll is required for autotrophic nutrition. Chlorophyll is required. For heterotrophic nutrition, chlorophyll is not required. So these are the differences between, that is, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Now the 8th question. The approximate lengths of small intestine of animal X and Y are given in the table. Observe it and answer the question. Animals A and B, approximate length of small intestine 10 to 25 feet, 3 to 7 feet. Identify the herbivorous and carnivorous animal in the table and support your decision with scientific reasons. So now let us answer for this question. So that is animal A is herbivorous. It has longer small intestine because it is very difficult to digest cellulose. Then what is animal B? So animal B is carnivorous because it has shorter small intestine because it is very easy to digest meat. So this is for 8th question. Now let us move for the ninth question. 4th main. Explain how blood flows through the human heart. So let us explain how the blood flows through the human heart. So the journey of blood starts from lungs. From lungs, oxygenated blood will be carried to left auricle through pulmonary vein. Then through bicuspid valve, the oxygenated blood flows from left auricle to left ventricle. Then from left ventricle it passes to aorta, which is the biggest artery. From there to different parts of our body. Then from superior and inferior vena cava, the deoxygenated blood will be carried to right auricle. From right auricle, the deoxygenated blood flows into right ventricle through right ventricle. Then from right ventricle through pulmonary artery, it flows into lungs, and in lungs gas will get exchanged. So this is the journey of flow of blood in the human heart. Now let us move for question number 10. Diagrams given below represent hearts of 3 different animals. Observe it and answer the question. So ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 3 ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 2 chambered heart, 4 chambered heart, and it is 3 chambered heart. 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 3. First figure 2 chamber. Second figure it will be 4 chambered. and the third figure is 3 chambered. So using that one, among these, which art is helpful to the animal that require more energy? Why? ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಹಾರ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ heart having heart having 4 chamber, because oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood flows separately. Our body gets efficient supply of oxygen by this glucose gets breakdown and releases more energy. Since the blood, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood flow separately, it keeps our body temperature constant. So this is about question number 10. Now question number 11. Draw a neat label diagram of opening and closing of stomata. So this is the last question of paper 6. By this we have answered all the questions related to paper 6 of life process. In the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 7. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and support my YouTube channel. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, I am thankful to all who are supporting my YouTube channel. So once again, thank you very much.